on and go across to Ruchit Jain, who is here with us to give and talk to us more about the markets, what are his topics as well. Ruchit, very good afternoon to you as well. And 19,000 on the Nifty. What's next for the Nifty is what I want to ask today first.
Yeah, hi, very good afternoon to both of you. I think certainly a great milestone that we have achieved today. And the good thing is that in this new high, so it's not that the first that we have hit the new high for the first time. Earlier, a few months ago as well, when we hit that 18,800 mark, that was a new high for the market. But at that time, we had seen only certain heavyweights were taking the markets higher, but the broader markets were not participating. The mid caps and the small caps, or should I say, the portfolio of most of the retail participants were not at new highs. But I think this rally has been quite different because last 3 months, the kind of up move that we have seen in many of the mid cap and the small cap names, this clearly indicates that this is just a start of an uptrend. And I think we have a lot of milestones yet to achieve going ahead. So I think many congratulations to all the market participants on achieving this 19,000 milestone. But as far as even short term is concerned, what we have seen that this entire series, which has gone by, in the June series, in the index future segment, we have not seen any aggressive built up by FIs or the client section throughout the series. Where if you look at the index futures long short ratios, then they have been much around that 50% or 48%. But in last couple of trading sessions, we have seen, even yesterday's trading session, we have seen a good amount of fresh long formations by FIs. Their long short ratio in a single trading session has improved from 50% to 60%, which indicates fresh long formations happening over here. So at all-time high levels, we have breached the previous swing high resistances. FIs have formed fresh long positions. And of course, since this is just one day before the expiry, then I would assume that these long formations have been formed for the July series. So I think going ahead, we should see a continuation of the uptrend in the next series as well. And I think, as I said, this is just one of the milestones that we have achieved, and we have a lot more such milestones to achieve in short to medium term.
Right, sounding quite bullish, Ruchit, even on the series going forward. But, a couple of pieces here that I want to try and cover. One is the Nifty Midcap, which has also hit its record high, as well as Nifty Realty. What a series that has had. So, what are your views on these two pockets?
So I think Nifty Midcap Index definitely is what happens that when we see an uptrends in the market, though so participation comes from the mid caps and small caps as well. And the kind of volume action that we've seen in many of the mid cap names, especially quality mid cap names, I think a lot of buying interest has been seen over there. So this rally is likely to continue. For short term, the 20-day exponential moving average has been acting as a very good support for both Nifty as well as the Nifty Midcap Index. In this entire last 3 months of rally since the start of April, both these indices, Nifty and the Nifty Midcap Index, have not breached their 20 days EMA. So till we are trading above that, the short term trend would continue to remain positive, and so one should continue to trade in the direction of the trend. Now, as far as realty index goes, we have seen a long consolidation or a corrective phase getting over in the Nifty realty index. The day when RBI announced the pause to the rate hikes which were going on, I think that was the phase then where the buying interest was seen initially in some of the large cap realty names such as DLF or Godrej Properties, which had seen very sharp corrections before that. So I think post that, what we have seen that the volumes have increased significantly along with the price up more. So I think this clearly indicates that the realty index also, this cycle has changed for realty index, and we would see a lot of names from the realty stocks showing a good positive returns over next 12 to 18 months of period time. But of course, one should be stick to quality names. Stocks such as DLF is there, or Godrej Properties within the large spaces. From the mid cap space, I think Asiana Housing is one of the stock that we have liked technically because of price volume action. So these stocks could deliver good returns if one has from next at least 6 months time frame.
Ruchit, you did mention some names coming in, but other than that, any top bets that you have that one should watch out for?
Yeah, for July series, I am watching out for two large cap names which could deliver good returns. First is a buy call in Sun Pharma. So entire pharma basket has been in a positive momentum of late, but Sun Pharma has not seen that much participation. But today the stock gave a breakout from a consolidation phase, so I think a catch-up move should be seen in Sun Pharma as well in the near term. So one can go long with stop loss below 990 for targets around 1070. And the cement space is likely to do well in this July series. Stocks such as Ultratech Cement is there, Dalmia Bharat is there, Grasim is there. So ideally, we like some of the large cap names from the cement space. So Grasim would be my pick over here since the stock is trading around its support. So the risk reward ratio is quite favorable to take some contra bets over here. So one can buy Grasim as well with stop loss below 1690 for probable targets around 1840.
Right. So top picks for Ruchit coming in, Sun Pharma as well as Grasim. We hear you, but we'll let you go on that note. Thanks so much. It's been a pleasure
Thank you.
speaking with you.